Welcome to my English for Life channel. Today we will learn about English idioms. So what do idioms mean and why are they important to learn? An idiom is a group of words that mean something different from the actual words. Idioms are important because native speakers use them all the time, at home, at work, and in everyday conversations.
Today's idiom is to sleep on it. To sleep on it means to wait before making a decision, especially if it's an important choice. You take time to think. Example 1. I can't decide if I should take the job. I'll sleep on it. It means, I'll decide later. Example 2. You don't need to buy the car today. Why don't you sleep on it? It means think it over before buying. Of course, it doesn't mean you sleep on the car literally. It means take your time to think about it before you make this important decision. Example 3. She was upset, so I told her to sleep on it and talk to her boss in the morning. It means wait and calm down first. Quiz time. Which sentence uses sleep on it correctly? A. I'll sleep on it before I say yes. B. I'll sleep on the couch. C. I slept during class. What does it mean if someone says, let's sleep on it and talk tomorrow? A. Let's take a nap together. B. Let's ignore the problem. C. Let's wait and decide tomorrow.
See you next video.